Thank you. It's very good to be here tonight, and I'm going to specifically talk about consumer protection for home buyers. We're going to talk about the system that government put in place to protect the home buyers, what you need to know about home warranty insurance, what you need to know when buying a home, whether it's brand new or resale, and the tools available to you so that you can be more informed when making your purchasing decision. I'm going to go fairly quickly through the slides, so if you do have any questions, please try and remember them for the end, or for those of you who are online, send them on in. So how are home buyers protected? Well, BC Housing administers legislation called the Homeowner Protection Act through the Homeowner Protection Office. And the first way we protect consumers is that we license and regulate residential builders. Now, licensed builders must meet qualification standards and take continuing education in order to stay up to date. Secondly, we oversee and ensure that all new homes are covered by home warranty insurance and monitor how that system is working. And last but not least, we provide research and education and information for both builders and consumers, such as the information that you're getting here tonight. So getting into a little bit more information about the home warranty insurance itself, it's important for you to know that no one may sell or offer to sell a new home unless the new home is covered by home warranty insurance or is exempt under the Homeowner Protection Act. And all new homes built by a licensed residential builder are required to have a minimum 2510 standard of coverage. Now, the 2 stands for, there's a 2-year coverage for labors and material on your home, and 5 years for building envelopes, so windows, doors, roofs, walls, and, 10-year structural coverage for your foundation and the structure of your home. Home warranty insurance is provided through the builder by a regulated insurance company, so even if a builder refuses or goes bankrupt, can't fix your construction defects, you always be able to go to the insurance company who's actually responsible for that home warranty insurance. And that insurance actually stays with the home, so even if it's sold, you have the coverage, and there's no annual premium, so it's paid for once up front, and you have that home warranty insurance for the full 10 years. This is the strongest construction defect insurance in Canada. You might also be looking at homes that don't have home warranty insurance. That might be the case if the home's older than 10 years. If it was built in 1999 or before it may not even have had home warranty insurance. That's when the legislation took effect. Or if it's older than 10 years, it might have had home warranty insurance. If it was built before 2006 at this point, the coverage would have expired. You might also see owner-built homes that are exempt from home warranty insurance and licensing, and I'll talk a little bit more about them in a minute. Or they might have been illegally built, so you want to keep an eye out for those. Now, owner-built homes are for people who wish to build homes for their own personal use, in which case they're required to obtain an owner-builder authorization from the HPO before they can even start building. And they have to live in that home for a minimum of a year before they can legally sell it. Owner-built homes are not required to be built by a licensed residential builder or have third-party home warranty insurance, although more and more you are seeing that banks are requiring owner-builders to have that home warranty insurance, I wouldn't say voluntarily, but requiring the home warranty insurance to be in place. The owner-builder themselves actually does provide a statutory warranty for anybody who builds the home. They're personally liable for 10 years for construction defects at the home. The problem is that a subsequent purchaser of an owner-built home, they don't have that insurance policy in place. They would go to the owner-builder and let them know there's construction defects, but if that owner-builder was not willing to rectify them, they might have to take legal action. So, actually, I'm just going to go back to that for a second. I just wanted to mention that, of course, you can buy an owner-built home, but for your own peace of mind, a strong policy of home warranty insurance on a home built by a licensed builder is really your best bet to make sure that if there are any construction defects, that they're going to be covered. So how do you know if a home has home warranty insurance or not, if it's built by an owner builder, if it's illegally built? One of the things the most important thing I want you to take away from my 10 minutes is the New Homes Registry. It's an online tool. You can go online to our website, check out whether a single family or a multi-unit has home warranty insurance on there. It's really easy to use, and it's a valuable tool for either realtors or home buyers. This is an example of it here, and the New Home Registries, it will tell you whether there's home warranty insurance in place. It will tell you who the licensed residential builder is, and you can actually click on the link to the licensed residential builder and find out more about that licensed residential builder. It will tell you who the insurer is for the policy of home warranty insurance as well. It'll say if your home is owner built, and if it has been built illegally and we know about it, it will note that it's under investigation. So if you do want to know any more information about a home in that category, definitely give our office a call. And if you can't find a home that you think is less than 10 years old on our registry, give us a call again. So we have some other useful consumer tools. We have if you might hopefully had a chance to go out and take a look at the booth. We have a lot of consumer publications at the booth, and one of the things is we have a document that has a buying a home checklist in it. I'll just go over that quickly. While some of you will be buying brand new homes, others will be purchasing homes that have been previously owned. And some of the same advice does apply regarding warranties for those previously owned homes if the home is less than 10 years old and falls within the warranty period. So when buying a resale home, here are a few things to consider. Again, check the New Homes Registry on the HPO website and check whether there's home warranty insurance in place. For a condo, there would be home warranty insurance both for your unit and for the common property. As part of the sales agreement, you can request that the owner obtain a claims history report from the home warranty provider. That would be very valuable information to have if you're buying a home that's been previously owned. And ask for copies of the last 2 or 3 years of Strata Council minutes. You can review them to see if there have been any indication of major defects in the building, particularly water ingress, and also ask for copies of any existing engineering reports regarding possible defects in the building, and any repairs completed, underway, or planned for the future. After you move into your home, make sure you review your policy of home warranty insurance. Get that from either the previous owner, or if it's a brand new home, you can get it directly from the warranty provider. And check the coverage and see whether there are any exclusions that you should be aware of. If you receive a maintenance manual, and most of you should get a maintenance manual on a new home from either the builder or the warranty provider, make sure you use it. Because if you don't maintain your home, you can't make claims for defects in construction. The construction defect insurance is really for things that were the fault of the builder. So if you don't maintain your home according to your maintenance manual, anything that arises might be excluded from coverage. Keep a close note of your 2510 expiry dates. And if you do need to make a claim, make sure you get it to the builder and the warranty provider in writing before your coverage expires. It's really important that you get it in writing to the warranty provider as well as the builder. A lot of people, especially if they're working with a custom home or have a brand new home straight from the developer, they will naturally talk to the developer about any things that come up. In order to protect your coverage dates, though, it is important you get it in writing to the warranty provider as well. And common property claims, those would be the responsibility of your strata council. So building envelope and structure, if there are any construction defects there, make sure your strata council knows about them so they can make a claim. So as I mentioned before, we have quite a few consumer guides and bulletins for you to be aware of, and those are on our website. There's several copies actually out on our booth, and feel free to subscribe to free consumer information from our website. Thank you.